Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is the fourth video about React.js. If you are not seen the previous video, please go through those videos. Okay. Let's get started. Today we are going to see more about components. In our previous class we are displaying hard-coded values. In this class we are going to display dynamic values. Let's start the same project. Now open the header.jsx. Now change the return statement. Here I am changing the return statement to my name is. Now we are going to pass the name from app.js. Open the file app.js. Let's create new variable name as username and assign value say dev. In return statement, add attribute name followed by equal to sign and open curly braces, followed by variable name say username and close curly braces. Now to get the value in our header.jsx file. Open the header.jsx file. In React functions, all the params declared in HTML are passed as first argument in our components. Now, to get the username. I'm getting the params as props as first argument in React component. This props will be JSON object, so to use the username value, you must use as props.name where name is the key we declared in HTML. Where username is the variable name what we have passed. Please note that I am using variable name not value. Now inside the return statement, you can call this value by open curly braces, props.name and close curly braces. Now do the npm start. You can see the value get printed like this. You can also duplicate the component in app.js and pass the new value. Here I am giving start. Now same component is declared 2 times with dynamic values. Now if you refresh your browser you should see same component is displaying 2 times with different values. You can clone the component how many times you needed with different values. In next class we can more detail about these components.